Hi, it's just me. How's it going, guys? Welcome to another vlog, and it's gonna be Valentine's Day today. Well, not really Valentine's Day because it's the 12th, but we're celebrating Valentine's Day because we both work on the actual Valentine's Day. Got my girlfriend a nice cute card, and oh baby, she's gonna have a good sweet tooth bud. I know it's not a $100,000 car, but this car is mine. I love it a lot. Off to the girlfriends to exchange Valentine's Day gifts when it's not Valentine's Day, because there's a huge storm coming tomorrow and it's gonna be cold. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I know I don't vlog as much, but I would like to, because vlogging is a very fun thing to do. I know a lot of people don't like it. Here in Nova Scotia, a lot of people don't do it, so if you see someone vlogging in public in Nova Scotia, it's like, what the hell are they doing? But if you go to like LA or something, oh, he's just vlogging. It's just a normal thing. People are skating. Oh my god. It's a little cold, but we're going at it. We're almost there. Here. Oh, is this it? Oh my god. Yeah. Hello.
Venus is stolen. It's out in front of the white team's net. Little backhand there. It's going to miss.
The moose has been really good. Sick.
George Washington show his bald head tonight. Let's go.
They're not calling it. They're not calling
No. Hey Jordan, see you.
Congratulations.
Have a high five. High five. Oh!
Roasted.
Oh my god.
Be here when they're having these things.
Ouch. Big oof. Hey babe, you should really let us get the Switch. You get it. We're now grocery shopping. Man, my car handled that drive pretty damn well. Like, there's a snowstorm. The highways are way worse. Like, way, way worse. I'm surprised this handled it as it did. Thank God for those tires. Had a fun day today. So it might look like I'm crying, but it's just really cold. So I got a surprise. It's been like a few weeks, but here we go. I have a puppy. Little puppy. He's such a cutie, like he really is. Oh my god. Too bad's not my dog, but still. Hey. Come here. Oh, look at you. Oh my god. Oh, you're such a cutie. Hey.
Hey. Yeah, just flop down. Yeah, just flop down.
He's in my legs. No, wait, no, Taco, no. Come here. Come on. Hey, oh. What are you doing, you rascal? Really? You know? No? Oh, no, I do. Come here. Come on, Mitch. Come on. Hey. Oh, you're so soft. Look at you. Oh, yes. Love the floppy. No, stop. I don't know what the dog's doing. Help. Free Shavaka do. Definitely miss having a dog, like, for sure. I know. So the clips you saw before were like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's like, I need content for this vlog. It's like, damn, dude. Puppy. Content. What are you doing? Oh, hello. Hey, oh, you're so tough, cutie. Wanna go for a walk? Walk? Yeah, walk. Oh, okay, alright. Come on. Alright guys, if you did enjoy today's vlog, make sure you smash the like button, share, turn on notifications, don't forget to subscribe. If you have made it all the way past to here and you haven't skipped, you're a goddamn legend, okay? Sorry for not posting a lot, guys. I just have been working, trying to find new jobs, yada, yada, yada. So, anyway, love y'all. I'll see you on for the next video. Love you. Noggin.